The much awaited Hogwarts Legacy is now available for buyers of the deluxe edition and will soon be out for everyone on 10th February. However, players have already started spotting some issues with the game's camera. According to reports, the camera in the game feels choppy, laggy, or rigid. This is causing some frustration among players. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. It seems that the problem only affects controller or console players and is related to the camera's acceleration settings. Players have reported that turning camera acceleration all the way down and camera sensitivity all the way up can make a huge difference to the overall smoothness of the game. This workaround has been confirmed by a significant number of players on Reddit, some reporting a night and day difference in their gameplay experience. We hope this helps you enjoy the game better. Avalanche Software has not acknowledged the issue, but let's hope they improve it with future updates. We'll update an article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.